Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Maya Mobile eSIM. Maya Mobile is a digital eSIM provider, meaning you can activate mobile data on your smartphone without ever needing a physical SIM card. It's marketed towards travelers who want seamless connectivity across multiple countries without outrageous roaming charges. First, let's cover the basics. An eSIM or embedded SIM is a digital SIM that works with most modern smartphones. Maya Mobile offers global and regional plans, claiming coverage in over 190 countries. Setup is quick. You can scan a QR code and you are connected within minutes. No need to visit a store or wait for a SIM to arrive. Plans and pricing. Now, when talking about pricing in Maya Mobile, it offers several flexible plans. Here are the highlights. Global plan starts at $15 for 1 gigabyte of data, which is great for short trips. Regional plans cover zones like Europe, Asia, or the Americas, with prices starting at $10 for 1 gigabyte. Unlimited plan, if you are a heavy data user, they offer unlimited plans starting at around $99 per month. Compared to traditional roaming fees, these plans are pretty competitive. But keep in mind, local SIMs might still be cheaper if you are staying in one country for a long time. Performance and coverage. For speeds, it's generally solid with download speeds averaging between 20 to 50 megabytes per second, depending on the local network. It's great for browsing, maps, and streaming. And when talking about the coverage, it's excellent in urban areas, but rural regions can be spotty, especially in less developed countries. It's worth noting that Maya Mobile uses partnerships with local carriers, so your experience depends on the quality of those networks. Key features. Here are some standout features of Maya Mobile. Instant activation, no waiting around, you can get connected in minutes, multiple devices, you can use it on smartphones, tablets, or laptops, 24/7 customer support. They offer a live chat feature, which I found responsive and helpful during my setup. And you can stop your plan on the go directly through the app. Pros and cons. Now let's break down some of the pros. For the pros, we have no physical SIM needed, super convenient for travelers, wide global coverage, flexible plans for different needs. For the cons, pricier than local SIM cards in many countries, coverage can be patchy in remote areas, limited support for voice calls, it's data focused. If you are mostly relying on apps like WhatsApp or Skype for communication, this might not be a big deal. So, is Maya Mobile eSIM worth it for traveling? If you are hopping between countries or only need temporary data, it's a fantastic option. The convenience alone is worth it for short trips or digital nomads. However, if you are staying in one country for a while, you might save more money by getting a local SIM. It all comes down to how much data you need and how much you are willing to spend for convenience. So, what do you think? Would you try Maya Mobile for your next trip? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.